Morning, like literally. Ugh. So the dog's freaking out. I look outside. I'm like, what the hell's going on? And it's FedEx, and it's this. So this thing's massive. Look at that box. Holy smokes. So I may know or may not know what this is, but we'll see if you know what it is. Thing about it is, well, if you don't know, my last name's K-ban, and we're kind of an anomalous group. We're part Eastern European hardcore engineer types and part South Kakalaki redneck. So this is what I make, training weapons, and then I got this thing called a brother that makes, well, this stuff. Holy cow. Holy cow. Whoa. Off screen. Oh my god. Start with the little one. Ah. So my brother down in, I guess he's in Gulf Shores or something like that. Oh, look what he did. Made my 5-year-old Callista the angriest thing on the planet. This cute little handmade bow. You can't see that. So it's orange Osage wood, and it's been laminated with bamboo. And then he did it. He wrote Merida, like the little girl from what the hell you call it? Brave, the little Disney movie there. And then I guess he calls them K-ban Kustoms. That's pretty rad. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. So once we figure that out, holy cow, this poor little thing can barely draw back her Nerf thing. And he got us some tiny arrows. And then for your boy here, mine's green. Huh. Ha, the collie tiger, it says in there. That dude's hilarious. Can't show that. It's got tiger stripes on the bamboo. And then again, orange Osage. Oh my gosh. Whoa, drawing back a longbow is insane. So it all started back in the day. My dad had made one out of some, I guess, yew wood or some Polish wood he had back in the 50s in Spartanburg, where he was yarn. And we had them when we were kids, so I was always, stringing up the bow and going out. I even killed birds and stuff when I was little. It's just a mean little bastard. So, yeah, as the world progresses, the old man helps me getting into make plastic tools, and my brother, aeronautical whiz kid down in Alabama, making bows. So, dude, super cool. Let's get that box out of the way. Give you a look at them. Threw in some arrows for a little Callista. Holy squall. So there they are. Holy cow, that's pretty rad. That is pretty rad. Good on you, Brad K-ban. Thank you, pal. Have a good morning, y'all. We're going to be shooting some arrows today.